Day 2 of Jamaica's recovery from Hurricane Melissa, and we found more people making their way back home, uncertain of what they'll find. This is Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth, the main artery between Santa Cruz and the western end of the island. For many, this route is the best chance of reaching Middle Quarters and the capital, Black River. But most of those in line have no idea of the devastation ahead. Power lines are down, communication gone. Ambulances sent out to rescue patients trapped in the wreckage of the Black River Hospital were themselves stranded overnight, waiting for debris to clear. And it wasn't just medical teams who spent the night here.
Traveling from Mandeville since yesterday, left 9 a.m. We have been trying to come through this road. We went through the hills, through Santa Cruz, up the hills to come through. We have been in Holland Bamboo from yesterday evening. We came through the water and we're still in Holland Bamboo. It is crazy. Holland Bamboo is not Holland Bamboo again. But we're hoping that we can get through before the day ends.
I've been here about since, I'm going to say 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. And this is in Holland Bamboo. So I've been here since that time from yesterday. I slept right here. My fiance has been working, cutting down power sign up there. And I've been the driver because we have stuff in the back that we're trying to use to assist to clear the road. So I've been here since then.
Then word came, an alternate route had opened.
So you can go on, we reach through way down and you know we are stick as this. So you can go through and still go out. Yeah man, I just see people them we are going to need to move.
Offering a small glimmer of relief.
Well, yesterday morning about after 10, I've my parents in Black River. And we don't hear from them the last time we hear from them was Tuesday about 9:30. And from that time we don't hear from my mother and my sister. We have 2 sisters at home and my niece. Don't hear from them all now.
But that road led straight into heartbreak. So much devastation, and the landscape of everywhere along here completely changed. This wasn't here before. This was a huge expanse of land. Right now it looks like a lake. Middle Quarters, usually buzzing with tourists and famous for its shrimp, is now unrecognizable.
Lord God, I want a reverse hurricane this year. I can't tell a man this year. Right now, if you leave, you have to give God thanks. Trust me. I turn up upstairs up at my home and watch it on a turbulence thing. Zinc breeze, turbulence thing, man. As you can see, my shop, roof and everything gone, underwater crisis. Pure water everywhere. Kitchen gone, everything gone. Right now, I lose 100 chicken. 100 chicken I lose right now. My ram goat dead. Cows, I have cows in our house right now. I don't even know if they're living. Everything, I lose big. I tell him, can't tell a man that a worst storm this may ever see. Worst.
People in the community here used to sell shrimp as well along the stretch.
Yeah, because right now I have about 15 bags of shrimp right now where soft we are going to go to waste right now. So you can't call it and get a big loses right there because there's no current to keep them frozen. And then now when I come down and shop yesterday, everything soft out. Everything soft. Literally soft and in a shop full of water.
And as we moved closer to Black River, the picture grew even more grim. I'm not sure if we can put into words exactly what we've seen. Homes are shattered and people are broken by what has occurred here because of Hurricane Melissa. You see the destruction, you see the damage, and you really have to wonder how will they be able to pick up all the pieces that have been scattered all about them. How will they move on? That's the question. The images speak louder than words, scenes of desperation and despair. It's hard to call this looting or crime when survival is all people have left. Black River, once the beating heart of the parish, now reduced to rubble, echoing with cries for help.
A rough bar, we don't have nothing, absolutely nothing we don't have. We don't have anything. We bed gone, I see everything. The place crumble come in. We don't have nothing. We don't have no water. It's rough, boy. We're in a crisis now. We are in crisis. It's so hard on us. We are looking help.
We want zinc, we want water, we want food. We don't have no food, we don't have no water, everything washed away in our house. We don't have no bed, we have to sleep on the floor. We don't have nothing at all, we mash up. We need some zinc, nothing, water, food. Every little thing what we can get right now we need. Bed, we just have a base, we don't have no mattress.
What have you been doing since the hurricane?
I have to try to see if I can get little water to survive. See my friend there, food chop out, I have to hustle for me and her. We don't have nothing at all. We need to medicine and look something because we are baby same way. We feel traumatized because first we are experiencing something. All the years we see storm or a hurricane or something there is the first we see it. We damaged. We don't have no money, we don't have nothing. Everything gone. We don't save no bird, paper, passport, everything. Wash away.
Where we have, we don't know how long it will last, but where we have to go until food come back. So we say, our survival we are dealing with now, you know.
We are witnessing a humanitarian crisis unfold in real time, so real to see, in a place once called paradise.